Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure to create an eBay account. In order to create an eBay account, you need to follow these steps. I'm going to install the app, so you could also use a browser version of it. So type in ebay.com on the web address bar or on the search bar. Now then, click the install button. Wait for the application to completely install itself. As the application installs, you want to click on the open button and you could go ahead and create your account. So first thing, you'll be able to see this pop-up. So click on create an account. Now you could either go with email, go with continue, or continue with your Google or with your Facebook. So I am simply gonna go with the email on this field and type in your first name, last name, click on continue with email. As you do it so, you will then be prompted to create a strong password, after which click on continue or create an account at the bottom of the page. Now moving on, you will then be able to see this section where it says simplify your sign in. So if you want to go ahead and do this, you could click on continue or just tap on skip for now. And here you go, you've successfully created your eBay account and you could go ahead and explore all the contents. You could go and explore all the products that's available and start ordering as well. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.